A denied health insurance claim can quickly become more than a paperwork issue. It can mean delayed treatment, interrupted care, worsening symptoms, unexpected medical bills, or difficult decisions about whether you can afford medically necessary care. A health insurance denial appeal letter gives you the opportunity to challenge the denial with medical evidence, physician recommendations, policy language, and supporting documentation before the situation affects your health or finances even further. But this is where many appeals go wrong. People often submit short emotional complaints without directly addressing the insurer's stated denial reason, fail to include physician support or medical records, or overlook the importance of proving medical necessity through clear facts, treatment history, and evidence that directly connects to the policy decision. So here is how to write it. Sender information. This is the first part of the letter where you provide your personal contact details. For example, Jennifer Martinez, 482 Oak Ridge Avenue, Phoenix, Arizona 85016. Jennifer.martinez@email.com. 602-555-8142. This section identifies who is submitting the appeal. Make sure your contact details match your insurance account records and policy information. Date. After your contact details, include the date the letter is written. For example, May 24, 2026. This establishes when the appeal was prepared. Health insurance appeals often have strict filing deadlines, so submit your letter promptly after receiving the denial notice. Recipient information. Next, identify the insurance company department reviewing your appeal. For example, Appeals Department, Blue Horizon Health Insurance, 1450 Healthcare Plaza, Chicago, Illinois 60601. This ensures the appeal reaches the correct review team. Always verify the correct appeals address listed in your denial notice or insurance instructions. Subject line. The subject line clearly identifies the purpose of your letter. For example, subject: Appeal of Health Insurance Claim Denial, Claim Number HC-458291. This helps reviewers immediately identify your case. Include your claim number exactly as shown in the denial notice. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. For example, Dear Appeals Representative. This keeps the letter respectful and professional. If a specific appeals reviewer or department contact is provided, address them directly. Opening paragraph. In this paragraph, you formally state your appeal. You should identify the denied service, your policy number, and the denial notice. For example, I am writing to formally appeal the denial of coverage for physical therapy treatment under my health insurance policy. Policy number PH774829, as communicated in your denial notice dated April 28, 2026. This clearly establishes what decision you are challenging. Be direct, professional, and specific about what coverage was denied. Request for reconsideration. Next, formally request review of the denial decision. For example, I respectfully disagree with the denial determination and request a full reconsideration of this claim based on the medical evidence, physician recommendations, policy provisions, and supporting documentation included with this appeal. This states your position clearly and professionally. Focus on evidence, medical justification, and policy support rather than frustration or emotional language. Denial reason section. This is where you identify the insurer's stated reason for denial. For example, according to the denial notice, coverage was denied due to lack of medical necessity. I would like to address these findings directly. This transitions into your response. Address the exact denial reason listed by the insurer. Do not guess or generalize. Medical condition explanation. Here, explain your medical condition and current health situation. For example, I am currently receiving medical care for chronic lumbar disc disease, diagnosed and managed by Dr. Emily Chen. My condition involves severe pain, reduced mobility, and functional limitations affecting daily activities and work performance. This provides medical context. Be factual and specific about symptoms, limitations, progression, or complications. Medical necessity explanation. This is one of the most important sections of the appeal. You explain why the denied treatment or service is medically necessary. For example, my treating provider has recommended ongoing physical therapy because it is medically necessary for pain management, mobility improvement, and prevention of further functional decline related to my condition. This directly supports your appeal. Connect the treatment recommendation to medical necessity, symptom management, recovery goals, or prevention of complications. Supporting medical basis section. Here, explain what evidence supports your provider's recommendation. For example, this recommendation is supported by physician findings, treatment records, MRI results, and documented failure of prior conservative treatments. This strengthens the credibility of your case. Mention objective evidence whenever possible, such as diagnostic testing, specialist evaluations, treatment history, or clinical guidelines. Impact of the denial. This section explains the real consequences of the denial. For example, the denial of coverage creates a substantial medical and financial burden and may delay medically appropriate treatment, worsen symptoms, and negatively affect my long-term recovery and daily functioning. This demonstrates why reconsideration matters. Explain practical health and financial consequences clearly and professionally. Supporting documentation section. This section lists the evidence attached to your appeal. For example, to support this appeal, I am submitting the following documentation for review. Letter of medical necessity from treating physician. Medical records and progress notes. MRI diagnostic reports. Prescription and treatment history. Prior authorization documentation. This strengthens your request with evidence. Organize supporting documents clearly and make sure every attachment directly supports your appeal argument. Formal request for reversal. Here, you directly request the outcome you are seeking. For example, based on the medical documentation, physician recommendations, and applicable policy provisions. I respectfully request a full and fair review of this appeal and reversal of the denial decision. This makes your request clear. State your requested outcome directly and professionally. Closing paragraph and sincerely. This is your final section before ending the letter. For example, please confirm receipt of this appeal and notify me if additional documentation or clarification is required. Thank you for your time, attention, and careful reconsideration of this matter. Sincerely, Jennifer Martinez. This shows professionalism and willingness to cooperate. Always invite follow-up communication and maintain a respectful tone. Policy identification details. Finally, include all important identifying information connected to your insurance case. For example, policy number PH774829, claim number HC458291, member ID MBR 55281, date of birth March 12, 1987. Treating provider, Dr. Emily Chen. This helps the insurer locate and review your file efficiently. Double-check every policy number, claim number, and member detail before submitting your appeal. Before we wrap up, here are some very important overall tips you should remember when writing a health insurance denial appeal letter. Focus on medical facts, physician support, policy language, and clear evidence. Directly address the stated denial reason, explain medical necessity thoroughly, and support your position with strong documentation. Avoid vague complaints or unsupported arguments, and always review your insurer's appeal procedures and deadlines carefully. So that's how you write a health insurance denial appeal letter step by step. As you can see, every section of this letter plays an important role in presenting a strong, professional, and evidence-based request for reconsideration. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video.